Welcome, today in front of me UleFone Note 13P and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and after that let's tap on the sound section. Now we can see here the ring and notification volume panel, and just to mute our device ringtone we should hold and swipe to the left side this volume panel to mute our ringtones. Also we can make it by the second way. Just first here in default volume button control we should select the ringtone volume, and now just by press down volume button on the right side of our device we can also mute the ringtone volume, and we can make it by the third way just by swipe to the down this blue dot. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.